Hey Peter, it's Michael. I am going to test these out for you, just show they all work. We'll just start here. All right, there we go. So let's fire off two at once. Just unloads like that. Just pull it down like that to load, put the bullets in. All right, there's that one. Sorry for the poor quality here. Got to do this one-handed. All right, this one. Just move the action back, and it fires like that. All right. The retaliator action is right in the middle there. Oop, got a second. That. All right. It fires. 1 minute. All right, the disruptor, same action right there. Right, there you go. All right, the painted retaliator works. All right, strong arm works. Got a strong arm. Oops, sorry about that. All right, here it is. Oop. Oh. There we go. Again. Oh. Hold on one second with this thing. I'll come back to this one. Hold on a second. Okay, here we go. Another one. There we go. All right. Now this one, you press the little button, has the motor, and it just fires off like that. We got the two little ones, the jolts. We just pull that back and single fire. Pull that back. There we go. These, it's going to be kind of tough because they don't have a trigger. They just